Hello there. It's been a stormy week for many, but the weekend is looking drier and less windy. There will still be gales around, as we'll see today across the north and the west of Scotland, particularly the Highlands and the Islands. But for most of us, yes, it's breezy still, but the wind is gradually easing down, as are the number of showers. And that's because the ridge of high pressure is building in from the south and it will hang around into the weekend. The tightly packed isobars, the windier weather further north, and that's where the majority of the showers will continue on and off today. And it's colder air, it's a fresher breeze today, so that means more winteriness over the tops of the Scottish mountains, and we'll see some quite lively showers here too, but fewer for Northern Ireland and England and Wales. And after a mild start in the south and the east with the rain this morning, temperatures will actually fall back. So it's a fresher day, a cooler day, and it's still blustery. These are the wind gusts as we go through the rest of the afternoon. You can still see 30-40 miles an hour in the north. They will start to ease off those wind gusts though further south. Then as we go through the evening and overnight, we've got further shower bands coming into the north and the west, particularly Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, but further south and east, the lighter winds allowing temperatures to fall close to freezing. So a much colder night further south and east, not quite as chilly actually further north and west. But as we go into the weekend, we're gradually going to start to pull in more of a southerly wind, so it will become milder, particularly as that weather front approaches from the Atlantic, pulling in that stronger southerly wind. But for Saturday, yes, an early frost, potentially patchy mist or fog in the south. Our weather fronts, though, close to the northwest Highlands of Scotland and the islands, and also brushing close by to the northwest of Northern Ireland, will bring in more cloud. Now elsewhere, temperatures will be a little bit up on those of today, in fact for the majority 9s and 10s, because we're starting to pull in that southerly breeze, which will probably bring a bit more cloud in for the majority on Sunday. And this rain may arrive a little earlier across northwestern parts of both Scotland and Northern Ireland, but temperatures are up again, 11 to 13 degrees Celsius, as you can see. Then as we go into next week, the chances are that we could see some of these low pressures just slipping a little bit further southwards. So more uncertainty that far ahead, but staying on the mild side and still quite a good deal of dry weather in the forecast, as you can see. As ever, there's more on the website.